Please check if there are any missing accessories. Unscrew this nut. The chain has two directions. Please ensure it is installed correctly. Please align the hole on the guide plate with the screw. If the hole is not aligned, you will not be able to adjust the chain tension. If you are unable to align the hole with the screw, you can use a screwdriver to adjust the screw so that it aligns with the hole on the guide plate. Screw this nut back on, but do not tighten it too much. If it is too tight, you will not be able to adjust the chain. We will tighten it later after adjusting the chain properly. The chain is too loose now. Use a screwdriver to tighten this screw until the chain reaches a proper tension. The chain tension is just right now, it's not too loose and the chain can rotate easily. Now we can use a wrench to tighten the nut so that the guide bar won't wobble when the chain rotates. Before attaching the chainsaw to the extension pole, let's first check if the chainsaw is working properly. Install the battery onto the chainsaw as shown in the video. Press and hold the red button on the battery, then remove the battery as shown in the video. When installing the battery, make sure it is installed correctly. You cannot press the chainsaw switch without pressing the safety button at the same time. You need to press both the switch and the safety button simultaneously in order to start the chainsaw. The safety button can be pressed on both sides, so whether you're left-handed or right-handed, you can use it. Install the handguard into these two holes. Ensure the hand guard is installed correctly. There are 4 extension poles and the 2 in the middle are identical. First, install the upper pole. Follow the video for installation. Ensure the upper pole is installed correctly. Snap this buckle into place. Insert this wire into this hole. Please note that there is a groove and a raised part on the pole. Ensure that they align correctly during installation. As shown in the video, assemble the 2 poles together. Then, follow the direction of the arrow and tighten this part. The remaining poles should be assembled in the same way, following the same steps and precautions. Ensure that all the poles are tightened securely so that they do not wobble when lifted. If you do not tighten it properly, it will not conduct electricity. Press this button to adjust the cutting angle of the chainsaw. The chainsaw has a total of 5 angles, as shown in the video. Install the battery as shown in the video. Push this button up and then simultaneously press the switch to start the chainsaw. Insert the charger into this hole. When the charger is plugged into the socket, the light will be green. When the charger is connected to the battery, the light will change from green to red. Once the battery is fully charged, the light will change back from red to green. First, loosen this part. Loosen it in the direction of the arrow. Then, apply force on both ends to separate them. Other poles can be disassembled using the same steps. To disassemble the chainsaw, you need to open this latch. And then unplug this wire. Press this button and then remove the chainsaw as shown in the video. If the chainsaw works normally without the extension pole but does not function properly after installing it, you can check for the following issues. First, check if you are pressing both the safety button and the switch at the same time. Second, check if this cable is properly plugged in. If all the above issues have been ruled out and it still doesn't work, you need to remove the two middle sections one by one and check if it starts working. Finally, if both middle sections are removed and it still doesn't work, please record a video of the issue and contact the website where you made the purchase.